In society's effort to tear down the so-called patriarchy, they're actually creating female-focused society where women directly benefit from emasculating men and their roles. And let me tell you how. First, look at it this way. Throughout all of human history, women have needed the protection and provision of men, but only in recent decades has there been a competition for this role. It stems from a welfare system that's increasingly undermining a man's place in a woman's life, rendering him obsolete. When you think about it, why wouldn't women prefer a setup like this? For millions of women today, including the 15 million or so single mothers, the state acts as the masculine provider with very few of the hard lines that come with a man being in the house. Things like loyalty, responsibility, and burden of expectations. It leaves little incentive for her to pick the right man and actually stick by him. And it gives her a safety net for all of her bad decisions while the man falls by the wayside because he's now unneeded. Do you see the bad incentive structure it sets up? It's something you can track back to the mid-20th century to the American welfare policy known as the man in the house laws. It was a straightforward measure used by the government to determine who morally qualified for welfare benefits. The question was, is there a man in the house who can provide financially? As you can imagine, the men in impoverished and desperate households faced one of the most humiliating choices ever. Find a way to make ends meet no matter what, or split